ever wondered why some people earn more every year but still remain financially stressed? Or why some people earning less seems to build wealth faster? The answer is, it is rarely income. It is usually habit. Welcome to day 23 of the Debt to Ownership Challenge. Today, I'll share the 5 habits that quietly keep people poor and, more importantly, what you should do instead. By the end of this video, you will have a practical action plan to stop living from paycheck to paycheck and start building ownership. Number 1, stop spending everything you earn. You heard me right. Stop spending everything you earn. Most people believe savings happen after spending. They pay rent, buy clothes, eat out, upgrade phones, then they hope there's something left to save. There usually isn't. The solution to this is for you to use reverse order. You reverse the order. How? Every time money comes in, invest first, save second, spend what's left last. Even if it is only 10% you can save, your future deserves to be paid before your lifestyle. Now you have to take this action. First, create an automatic transfer. The same day you receive this income, definitely automatically there is a debit from your account. Treat investing like paying rent. Number 2, track every cash flow. Track every kobo that comes into your account. What gets measured gets improved. Many people don't know where their money goes. Sincerely, you ask them, they say, I don't know, the money finished. How? You can't explain. But they know exactly how much they earn. That's dangerous. So do this. For the next 30 days, write down every expense, every transfer, every subscription, every cash payment. You will immediately discover money leaks. Download a budgeting app, YouTube link, or use a notebook. Write down everything. The fastest way to remain broke is buying things to look successful. Buying expensive phones, designer clothes, luxury cars. Meanwhile, no investment, no emergency funds, no assets. Remember, looking rich is expensive. Being wealthy pays forever. Ask yourself before buying, do I need it? Will it make me more money? Will it save me money? Am I buying this because of pressure? If the answer is no, this is where ownership begins. Instead of asking, what can I buy? Ask yourself, what can I own that earns money while I sleep? For example, a business, a dividend investment, rental property, equipment you rent out, digital product, skills that increase your income. One asset today can become 10 tomorrow. This is what wealthy people protect. Every income has 3 destinations. 1, living expenses. 2, investment. 3, lifestyle. Most people put lifestyle first. Owners put wealth first. Imagine receiving 300,000. Instead of spending all of it, you invest 30,000 naira first. Over time, that discipline changes everything. Small habits repeated consistently create financial freedom. When I began changing my financial habits, I realized something. Debt wasn't only caused by lack of money, it was caused by lack of systems. The moment I stopped making emotional money decisions and started making intentional ones, I began moving from survival to ownership. That's why this challenge exists. Not just to motivate you, but to help you build habits that create lasting wealth.